Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Truist Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Truist Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Truist, and you can see on the top right hand side of your screen there is the option of open account and sign in. If you don't have a Truist Mortgage account yet, click open account and create an account for yourself. And if you already have an account, click sign in and you can see this login portal where you can write down your user ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Truist Mortgage account. If you have forgotten your user ID, click this link and then you can recover your user ID once again. And if you want to reset your password, click reset password. It will ask you your email address and it will verify that this is the user which you want to change. After that, you can reset your password through your Gmail or your email account. Now, if you want to set up online banking and don't have a Truist account, you can also click on this link as well as this link over here and create an account for yourself. If you want your user ID to be saved the next time you log in, click on this box and then you no longer have to write the user ID the next time you log in. Now, if you want to log into your another account, you can see on the bottom hand side there is sign in to another account. Click on this link and it will lead you to this portal where you can sign in to your Association Online Payments, McGriff Insurance Client, Truist Portfolio View, and Wealthscape Investor. So, you can sign in to these after you click sign in to your account. This was a video on how you can log into your Truist Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.